everyone, welcome back to Ray Cooking DNA. In today's episode, I will be making tiger nut juice. I'll be using just 3 ingredients for my tiger nut juice. Alright, so today I'm going to be showing you how easy it is to make tiger nut juice. So you will not have to be spending that much buying tiger nuts outside. Alright, so quickly, let's go right in. So here are the 3 ingredients I'll be using for my tiger nut juice today. All right. So here is my tiger nuts. I've washed it. And here is my dates, already washed. I've removed the seed. It has a long seed in between. I've removed it. And here is my pineapple. So I'll just put all these straight into my blender and blend all these ingredients together. The tiger nut goes in. The tiger nut is in there. So I'll just add a bit of pineapple because I'm going to be blending them in bits, so can give me that smooth texture. Little juice from here, dates, and some quantity of water. I'll just go ahead and blend this all together. So at this point, I'm going to sieve this. Alright guys, I'm super duper excited because I'm done sieving my tiger nut juice. So you can see how creamy this looks right now. So you can see, I will just go ahead and pour some portion in there. You can see how creamy this looks. You see that? Okay. So guys, you see, it's so easy to make tiger nuts. It's not as difficult as you think. And this brings us to the end of today's episode. Thanks for watching. Please give this video a thumbs up, like, share, comment, turn on the notification post so you get notified whenever I upload a new video. Do not forget to subscribe. From me, it's bye. Eat healthy, stay healthy, and drink healthy. Bye.